Miscreants plan one remote-controlled IED at HVS Brickfield in Patsoi Part 1 in Imphal West District. Bomb disposal squad safely defuses the bomb. And government inaugurates 15 power projects and lays foundation stone for 20 others worth 10,000 crore rupees in Jammu and Kashmir. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. One remote-controlled IED was found at HVS Brickfield in Patsoi Part 1 under Patsoi Police Station of Imphal West District this morning. According to Impact News sources, one sniffer dog of 5th Jammu and Kashmir Rifles found the bomb during routine road opening patrol of the personnel on National Highway 37 at around 6:45 a.m. The J&K Rifles team then informed Manipur police, after which a police team led by Imphal West Additional SP Operation Amarjit Lalambam, including Imphal West Commando OC and Patsoi Police OC, rushed to the spot. Later, State Bomb Disposal Squad came and recovered the bomb at 9:30 a.m. The squad then safely defused the bomb at a paddy field near Sairung village. The IED, wrapped in a black plastic bag, weighed around 1.5 kg. It consisted of 7 RDX, 1 detonator and 1 circuit. Miscreants and reasons behind planting of the bomb is still unknown. Patsoi police has registered a case and investigations are underway. Sarkar Youth Front, Disarm and AIMS conducted the 4th state-level open debating competition at the Jubilee Hall of Imphal College today. The competition was held on the motion of the House Manipur na pre-merger political status da hanjinba ngamlaba matamda Manipur India conflict wakhaida ngamgani. Principal of Royal Academy of Law Oinam Irengbam Jugeshwar was the speaker, while High Court Advocate Yumnam Romala, Law Faculty Member of Manipur University as Dilip Kumar and Associate Professor of Imphal College as Sanjeev were the jury members. 34 students took part in the open debating competition. Speaking on the sidelines, Sarkar Executive Member L. Lamyanba stated that the event aimed to create awareness about the history of the state to the youths.
अखोदी इंडिया दसु पुनगे हाइकिते पाकिस्तान दसु पुनगे हाइकिते अखोदी इरोम दोम निंखा तंगवनी हाइदना 1947 14 अगस्त अखोदी लेपखी मतुंग तारकपदा अखोगी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमका सेमलब मतुंगदा 1948 की जनवरी की थासदा अखोदा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मणिपुर दा सनवा हवी हाइरिबा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दुगी मतुंग इना जुन ग जुलाई थागदा मणिपुर दा इलेक्शन पांगथोय इंडिया पांगथोतिंग मांग मणिपुर हाना पांगथोय हाइरिबा इलेक्शन दुगी मतुंग इना मणिपुर दा 18 अक्टोबर दा मियाम की मिहुना लेगाक सबा दुगुमा मणिपुर नेशनल असेंबली अमका सेटअप तौखी ओलक पसई 1949 दा इंडिया दा तिन बगे दुगुमा मणिपुर मर्जर एग्रीमेंट से मसी सिलोंग दा कंट्रोवर्शियल ओबे एग्रीमेंट से पीरबा मतुंग दा मणिपुर ने इंडिया मुक्तिन किबने मसदेदा अखोगी मिरोलसिंग ngasi nahasingna अखोगी ओबे राइट करिनो अखोगी ओबे तरम स्टेटस लेरमी हाय पोसा मसी याम फजना मयक सेना खंगबा मका मथौ ताय हाबसे खंगबदगी हाइरिबा मोसन असे पोथोकचरगा सेप्टेम्बर की तांग 19 माथोय मजेगी मे साइन तौनखिबा नुमित से अखोय मणिपुर डिपेंडेंस डे हाइना अखोय पांगथोकचगनी मसीगी मांगजौना हाइरिबा डिबेटिंग कंपटीशन असे अखोय पांगथोकचबने.
Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol CADA held its 13th Foundation Day celebrations at Manipur Press Club today. Head of RIM Secretary Department Dr. R.K. Lenin, NAB Additional SP T.H. Brinda, Social Scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laishram, CADA President H. Priyokumar and many eminent persons attended the event. Speaking at the event, Dr. R.K. Lenin called upon people to cooperate in curbing drug menace to save the youths. He also urged the public to refrain from serving mob justice to drug abusers when they are caught. Swachhta Hi Seva campaign kicked off at City Parking, Nambol Bazaar today with an aim to collect 10% garbage from every household under Nambol Municipal Council. Students took out a mass awareness rally on the theme Ban of Single-Use Plastic as part of the event. First installment for individual household latrine scheme under Swachh Bharat Mission Urban and dustbins were also distributed to beneficiaries at the Seva launching program. Zilla Parishad made to the list of Deen Dayal Upadhyay Panchayat Karan Puraskar DDU-PSP 2019 award, which will be given to some of the best Zilla Parishads and Gram Panchayats by the Ministry of Panchayati Raj, Government of India, while a Payeng Gram Panchayat was selected for the award's Gram Panchayat General Category list and Waiton Gram Panchayat for the thematic category. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on inaugural of 15 power projects and others in Jammu and Kashmir. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Afternoon News. Union Power Minister R.K. Singh and Jammu and Kashmir Governor Satyapal Malik have jointly inaugurated 15 power projects and laid a foundation stone for 20 others worth 10,000 crore rupees in Jammu and Kashmir. Addressing a function in Srinagar, Power Minister said the government is working to ensure 24 hours electricity supply to all the citizens of the country, including Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. He said the power supply in this winter will be much better than in the past. Speaking on the occasion, Governor Satyapal Malik said developmental works in Jammu and Kashmir will prompt people of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir to revolt against Islamabad and join India. Now the sports news. Indian sprinter Hima Das has been ruled out of the World Championships 2019 due to a back injury. Athletics Federation of India FI Selection Committee on September 9 had named Das for the tournament to be held in Doha from September 27 to October 6. The ace sprinter clinched 5 gold medals recently. She won the 5th medal at the Norway Master Athletics meet on July 20. She clocked a timing of 52.09 seconds to complete the 400-meter race, registering her season best timing. Hima also won gold in 200-meter in Tabor Athletic meet. All Manipur Carom Association in a press release informed that the 28 state-level age group and inter-district Carom Championship 2019, organized by All Manipur Carom Association and Imphal East District Carom Association, will kick off at Nomaibung Community Hall Academy Road from September 28 till October 3. Pangamba Bodybuilding and Powerlifting Training Center celebrated Teachers' Day at the Community Hall of Kashamthong, Ilangbam Lekai today. 18 teachers and bodybuilders of the center who had brought laurels for the state were felicitated on the occasion. Ampla Patron T.H. Arun Kumar, MOA Secretary Sunil Ilangbam, Legal Advisor of the center and Shivadas, Secretary of the center N.G. Thoiba, Founder of Corner Unit Tejas Sharma, renowned Manipuri film actor G. Boni and many eminent persons attended the event. Other 62 players, 3 officials and national referees were also felicitated on the occasion. Speaking at the event, T.H. Arun Kumar encouraged the players to retain the status of powerhouse of sports accorded to the state by facing various challenges. He also expressed gratitude to all those who have extended help to the bodybuilders. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Miscreants plant 1 remote-controlled IED at HVS Brickfield in Patsoi Part 1 in Imphal West District. Bomb disposal spot safely diffuses the bomb. And government inaugurates 15 power projects and lays foundation stone for 20 others worth 10,000 crore rupees in Jammu and Kashmir.